Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2017 Toyota CHR. This is the hybrid Luna model. It's got a low annual road tax of €190 and it's taxed up until January and tested until January 23 also. It's got a full Toyota service history and it's sold a 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front daytime running lights as standard with front fog lights. It's got the 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. It's got very clean bodywork. It's got a nice size spacious boot with fold-down seats for additional space also. It's got plenty of legroom in the back. It's got the Isofix for the car seats. It's finished in a navy cloth interior. It's got a front armrest. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got the automatic headlights with the push button start. Multifunctional steering wheel with built-in radio with phone controls and the cruise control. It's got a touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth and also the reversing camera. It's got the air conditioning, USB and aux port, automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox. It's got the auto dim rear view mirror. And there's just 52,368 kilometers on the clock. This Toyota CHR will make an ideal sized family car, and here at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. Please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and also book a test drive. Thank you.